Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jenissa here, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing and a review over my latest stethoscope. I just purchased this Littmann Classic 3 stethoscope, and I'm so excited because throughout nursing school I was using a MDF Instruments brand. It worked perfectly fine, but I've heard great things about Littmann, and I just wanted a new stethoscope before I started my new job. So let's get right into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video.
Let's go, girl. Drop it to the floor, girl. Yeah, it's your world. Do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do. Let's go, girl. Drop it to the floor, girl. Yeah, it's your world. Do what you wanna do.
So I purchased this online. So when I went to the Littmann website, it said that they were sold out, but of course, you know, they are affiliated with other websites, and so that you can make sure that you're getting a real Littmann stethoscope. So y'all, I had got on Amazon attempting to potentially purchase one. I want to say it was probably about $10-15 cheaper than on the website, but I read the reviews and it was saying that some of them are fake. So I was like, no, like I have to buy one, not from a local scrub store, not from anywhere. It has to be an affiliate approved Littmann, because if you're gonna be spending $90, $100, $130 on a stethoscope, you want it to be real, and that's the whole point, is for the quality. So like I said, I got the Littmann Classic 3 stethoscope. So y'all know I'm extra. I was torn between which color I wanted to get. So here's the tag. It kind of tells you a little bit more. It's 27 inches and 69 centimeters. And so like I said, with this video, I'm going to be unboxing my Littmann stethoscope, but I'm also gonna kind of be referring, hold on. I'm also somewhat going to be referring back to the stethoscope that I'm most used to. And one thing that I wish the Littmann stethoscope, like one thing that I did wish about the Littmann stethoscope, is that it was a little bit longer. My old stethoscope right here, the MDF Instruments, is a little longer, and I really like that. So you open it up, and this is how it looks. I had decided with gray. So the scrubs that I have to wear at my job are like a royal blue, and my favorite color is green, and I like pink too. And I was gonna get a teal one, but I didn't like the way the teal one looked, so I was like, okay, what other color can I get? Like, I know I don't have to be like matchy, but I still want it to be cute, and I wanted my stethoscope to match my RN badge, and then yeah, I'm just extra. And so I ended up just deciding on a gray one, and I actually like the way the gray looks. You can customize it. You can pick whichever color you want. They have different tube colors. So when you take it out, this would be considered tubing. So they have different colors of the tube. And then right here, I guess you could say like the metal, you can get like a silver metal like I have, or you can get like a chrome that's kind of like a rainbow finish. I decided to just go with the simple silver because it went better with the gray. If I would have gotten another color, I probably would have gotten the chrome or the rainbow finish, but I don't really feel like the rainbow finish goes with everything. So I really like the quality. It's very sleek. Like I said, I'm content with the fact that I chose gray, and I like the finish, the silver finish. And here's the bell of the stethoscope and the diaphragm of the stethoscope. And then it has their emblem or signature. It's Littmann quality. That's what it says on there on both sides. And then of course, if you know, put on your stethoscope and you can hear when you change it, the quality. It is very good quality. I have not yet been able to use it on my patients, but I've tried it on myself and others, and I do believe that the quality of the sound is 10 times better than this one. The only thing is that I like how long my MDF one was. So if I were to compare them, this one is just about a little bit longer. So I want to say my Littmann is a for sure 27 inch. This may be more so, the pink one, the MDF one may be more so of a 30 inch maybe, or 29 inch. And so personally, I would have liked my new Littmann stethoscope to be longer like this MDF one, but it's perfectly fine. I'll make it work. It's long enough. So I got it customized. Like I said, you can have the option to get it customized, and you can get it customized on the tubing. So this would be considered the tubing. You can get it customized on the tubing, or you can get it customized on the actual diaphragm of the stethoscope. So I chose to get it customized. It was about $15 to $20 more. And if you guys can see, it says Jenissa Diaz, BSN RN. How cute. I know. Because people like to steal your stethoscope, and you would not believe it, but people do. And those that work in a hospital or just work in the medical field, y'all know. My Nurse Baes, y'all know. And then I also came across, this didn't come with the stethoscope, but I was going through the things that I got for graduation, and someone had got me a stethoscope tag, and it's a sunflower because that's my favorite flower, sunflowers. And you basically, you tie it around the tubing, and there's like a clip to where you can clip it to secure it, and then there's a name plate where you can write your name. So I just wrote the same thing, Jenissa. I couldn't put my last name, so I just put Jenissa BSN RN. So this is just for the sake of, you know, making sure that no one doesn't accidentally or purposely pick up your stethoscope. So it also came with extra earpieces, because, you know, they kind of get a little nasty. So it came with one pair, so 2 of them. I like how these are also gray. They also match the stethoscope, and they're gray. I'm not sure if all Littmann stethoscope ear pieces are gray, but this one is. I know in comparison to my MDF, they're clear. So they're about the same quality, I would say, like plastic, squishy. They aren't uncomfortable when you put them in the ear. And then this is another, I want to say another ring to put over right here if I needed to switch it out over here. Just place it on top of here and it'll be on there. So there's that. And then it comes with a booklet. And in this booklet, it just pretty much tells you what everything is for. Of course, it comes in different languages. So this is the English, and it shows you how to use your stethoscope, how to use what's placed in the box and everything. So that piece that I just showed you guys, you can convert it to a traditional open bell. So to remove the diaphragm from the small side, hold the large side of the chest piece in one hand while wearing an exam glove in the other hand. Use your good thumb to peel the pediatric diaphragm off the small side. So this would be like a pediatric version of the diaphragm, and you can take it off, I believe. So yeah, I didn't try to do this, so I don't know. I don't want to mess it up. But I'm guessing this would be considered the pediatric side, and you can take this off. So yeah, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna leave it alone because I ain't trying to break nothing. But yeah, that's what that is. And it just tells you how to clean it and stuff. You want to clean it in between exams, of course, just for safety and just for infection control purposes. You can clean it with, so far I clean it with alcohol wipes, and the alcohol wipes can make it sticky sometimes and end up kind of wearing and tearing on the tubing. And this manual, it says to clean it with, yeah, basically 70% alcohol wipe or disposable wipe with soap and water, and then a 2% bleach solution may be used to disinfect your stethoscope. However, the tubing may become discolored after exposure to bleach. I wouldn't recommend bleaching it. I would just use the alcohol wipes or just like soap and water, and just make sure that you dry it completely, because it can ruin the tubing and the quality. You also don't want to submerge it into any liquids, and to avoid staining, you want to make sure that you avoid contact with, of course, pens and markers and stuff like that, because it probably will not come off. So overall, I am really happy with my purchase. It was a lot of money for a stethoscope, but definitely worth it. I feel like it'll be something that basically is like an investment in my career. I'm always going to need a stethoscope to do assessments on my patients, and so if I don't get to use it that much now, then I know that I'll be able to use it in the future. Right now, for a majority of my patients, since I work in the ICU, they have stethoscopes already placed in their room, like disposable stethoscopes, to decrease infection transmission, and I'm perfectly fine with that, because I would like to not have to clean my stethoscope like crazy or get infected, you know, or a disease based off of carrying it on my stethoscope. So I'm completely fine with that. I feel like it was a great purchase, and like I said, just an investment into something that I'm going to need in my career. When I take my stethoscope to work, I use this, I believe. So I really wanted this. This was in one of my graduation wanted lists, and I believe whoever got it for me, I think my friend got it for me, but I can't remember. But I think that they got it off of Amazon, because it was one of the things that I wanted off of Amazon. So I believe you can get this off of Amazon. It's a cute stethoscope case. You open it up, and you place your stethoscope on this side, and then here you can have your pens, like I have my pens and pencils and highlighters. And then when you close it, it has a little handle. So yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what else you guys would like to see from me. I will be incorporating, as mentioned before, nursing videos, lifestyle, and beauty videos. See you guys later. Bye.
What you wanna do? Let's go, girl. Drop it to the floor, girl. Yes, your world. Do what you wanna do.